Hi, and welcome to the Scantech booth here at the Battery Show in Stuttgart 2023. Here in Stuttgart, we are showing the battery industry our solutions for anode and cathode coating measurements, as well as battery separator film. So I'm going to hand over now to my colleagues who are going to explain a little bit more about our offerings.
Today we are introducing our new end-to-end solution for electrode manufacturing. It's including different kinds of measurement, weight, thickness, density measurement, and visual inspection to analyze the coating geometry on the electrode and the potential defect. Our objective is to keep and to propose an advanced traceability on the coating, calendering, and slide line. To propose an advanced technology, each measurement, each data collected must be assimilated to its own position on the film. We are also providing reports for each slide roll at the end of the slider section after the calendering section.
This wonderful scanner is a new sensor that measures the weight of the product without any calibrations. The calibration is done automatically. So it's very important for the anode and coating lines. We have also on the line some visual inspection systems, which is able to detect visual defects, but also defects on the geometries. With the systems is also able to give to the operators some information on the actions he has to perform in order to control the positioning of the slurry. And the idea is to help the operators to have the best product in the minimal time. This is another scanner. This scanner is useful for calendering process in the battery constructions. It supports measuring the weight, the thickness, and the density of the product. It is important to have this kind of features in order to ensure the right product at the end.
What the confocal system, it's an optical system for thickness measurement, and we use it for battery foil measurement because we know that measuring the thickness of battery foils is a major issue, and this is the most accurate system we tested in Scantech, and we can reach an accuracy of 1 micrometer on various foils, and more particularly battery foils.
I introduced to you the ecosystem solution for battery manufacturing. Together with Scantech, we provide a combined solution for thickness measurement, all other kind of measure, and defect detection for quality control. Provide a unique interface just to operate with the thickness measurement and also with the visual inspection system. So only one interface to provide all the measures needed for the battery manufacturing, like the geometry measurement and also defect detection as well, will be displayed all together in just one user interface.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us if you have any questions. Find us at scantech.com.